Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a nice flying bird with my pen here. Let's start the drawing, and we draw the beak of the bird. So this is going to be the beak. You can see from the depth. Let's connect it like this, and the eyes. All right, and the head you can see. Okay, okay. Let's draw a longer line like this. Another line, this is going to be here. All right, you can see the claws, those are folded here, and you can see during the flying it's just like this one, folded. All right, and few feathers, the long feathers you can see. Long feathers and other feathers. This looks like this. Okay, the bigger wings on the other one. This is on top, looks like this. All right, now we can do the details. You can draw the wings. Just let's rotate it a little bit and draw all the feathers like this. As you can see, this is a nice combination. For this point, you can see this one, also this one, and other feathers. Looks like this. All right, so you can see the nice drawing at this point. Okay, the basic outline, it's done. We can put some shades. Let's put black or purple. I can put the purple here, or the navy blue. Let's see the navy blue, how does it works. This is nice. So all the feathers you're going to draw with the navy blue. Yeah, let's give it a time, have our patience, and fill up all the segments. As you can see, okay, so you can see the variations of the shades, and the variations comes up here. in between those areas we're going to put some lighter shades. Okay, so these wings is done. Let's go for the other wings. The wings on the left side of the bird, we're going to color that one now. As you can see that the drawing is in progress. Okay, so you can see it's nice drawing here I'm doing right now. So we're going to put the light strokes in the middle and the hard strokes to the outlines and the feather lines, as you can see. All right, for the other feathers you can see in the back, this is going to be darker again. Wow, it's a nice bird flying. The claws here in the back, and you can see the beak here on the front. The bird is flying very freely in the sky. It's a nice drawing. Okay, little details we can do more extensions here. All right, so thanks for watching. Please do practice at home, and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.